Why eagle? Because it's the only bird during the storm. It does not look for shelter. It actually fly above the clouds. You will never see an eagle flying with any parrot or any other bird. It flies alone or only with their likewise. The long sightening of it. So, from the long distance, it can see its prey and it will come for hunt. It will never eat any dead animal, by the way. It will always hunt and then only eat. And the most beautiful thing of it, at the age of 40, the mid age of eagles, if they really want to live until 70, because they have age span of 70 years, so if they want to live longer, they have to go through a very hard process. They have to go to the mountains at an isolated area. By their own self, they have to break their feathers, their beak, their claws, everything they have to break it by hitting it in the mountains. Only once they go through all of this hard process, they get new feathers, new claw that helps them to survive until 70. So if you look at the life of eagle, I mean, it is so inspiring that it does not behave like any other animal or bird, and from that you can take a lot of inspiration. So whatever I have said, if you think deep down, it has a lot of inspiration you can apply within your life, your business, and everyday routine.